Hi, good evening. Welcome to all to this Sitecore JSS with Next.js complete website POC presentation. So in this complete website POC presentation, so Saurabh is going to walk through us like what we have done in this POC. So it's basically website POC on how we can create the complete Next.js rendering host website with Sitecore XP as a backend. Okay, so we are consuming the Sitecore XP layout service using the GraphQL or directly using the layout service data to the Next.js rendering host website. So Saurabh has done a complete website on Next.js, yeah, and he has created all the pages. So he is going to explain us the complete, a few components how he has built. So if I introduce Saurabh has a great experience on Sitecore CMS and XM Cloud. Mostly he has worked on the XM Cloud, mostly on the XM Cloud projects, and also the Sitecore Search and the Content Hub. So today he's going to present us the Sitecore JSS with Sitecore XP as a backend. So Saurabh, you can start.
Okay. Thank you for introduction. Hi team. I'm Saurabh, and in this session, I'm showing to how to create build a Next.js website with Sitecore XP. So let me share my screen. Yeah, is screen my video.
Yeah, visible.
Okay, thanks. So is the first step we need to create a site folder in Sitecore XP. When Sitecore XP. So go to first we log in the Sitecore dashboard. After logging the dashboard, go to the content. Inside the content, create a folder. Headless site. Inside the headless site, you need to create another folder. Headless site collections. Inside this, we have to create your project folder. Sitecore JSS. Your Sitecore project folder. My project name is Sitecore JSS app. So I have created a folder name Sitecore JSS app. Inside this, I have to create all the items, items pages like home, about, contact, and another pages. So first default page is home. So I have just click on Sitecore JSS app or create item and item name in my home. In the just on click home page and right click insert create another pages. So click on just page options. On click page options, you have to enter your page name and just on click, your new page is created. So first step is create items. After created your items, create your templates. Rendering depends on your design. So my static page designs look like this. I'm sharing. Yeah. Okay. My static website will look like this. Hero banners, test about section, service section, feedback section, promo section, team section, and booking section, FAQ section, and footer section. This is my website. So next one is this, after created items, we need to create templates. So to create a templates, go to a desktop and template manager. Just click on template manager. Inside the features, you need to create a folder. Folder name is anything. I have naming the headless site. Inside the headless site, I've created a Sitecore JSS folder. And here you can see I've created multiple templates as per my needs. So first for hero sections. In hero sections, I have created template naming hero. You can see here. So in hero sections, I have multiple fields as per my requirements. In hero section, I have one field like headings, description, buttons, image. So I have created templates field, hero image, data type image, heading, rich text, description, rich text, since button text is a general. So similarly for another components like other component about us, I have created about us for created another templates. This is the page templates. So page templates is created inside the created inside the project folder. Inside the Headless sites, site collection, go to site collections, and I created inside a folder inside the site collections, Sitecore JSS. Inside this, created another one folder, pages. Inside the pages, I created a template about page. In about page, I have defined different fields, title, descriptions, image, button, year levels, years value, disease value, reviews level, customer value for about page description. So this is the normal components. If you want to create, after creating the templates, you need to create a rendering layout. So just go to the content and inside to find out, go to the layout, inside to find out renderings. Inside the renderings, go to the features. After put inside headless site, inside Sitecore JSS app, inside save JSS app. Now right click on folders, just right click. You have to select one of the options which you want to create a rendering component, which type of rendering components. So I need a JSON renderings. So I have choose a JSON rendering. Just click on JSON renderings. So after click on JSON, choose on JSON rendering, you have to enter your file name. Just file name, enter, and just copy here. And you can see now you can your rendering component is created. So my rendering component is hero. After creating, you can see the component name is hero. And after this, you have to configure uh, two fields. First one is data source template and data source location. You have to choose data source template, where which defines the data, which defines your data source. So just click on insert link, which this layout renderings defines your refer which your templates. So I have select my hero templates insert. Similarly, you have to select your data source locations. We have to find mapping your data source with these renderings hero. Similarly, you have to configure for another renderings here, another rendering, the booking effective feedback promo service, and another rendering components. After creating renderings, you have go to the your content item page level just inside your website, and click on items level pages. After click on item level page, go to the presentation and details and click on final layout. And you can see here I have assigned multiple rendering components to the home page. Just click on edit after the controls. And you can see I have assigned multiple components inside my item home page. Okay. So show if you want you want to add another component, say a new component. So just click on add and choose your components. Enter your placeholder key, which as well as check the dialog box immediately. You can similarly choose your data source folder. So I can show you. I'm choosing hero components. I want to modify this renderings. Just click on edit. You can see for this renderings, placeholder key is headless main. And your data source, I have data source location is passes here. You can modify also your data source. Click on browse. Click on just one was left similarly cooking data, another one also. So this is the process of page item create templates and renderings. First one step is how to create a page. Second one, after creating a page, create templates. After creating templates, you need to create renderings. After creating a rendering, just configure your rendering components, data source location and data source template. After completing these all the steps, you need to assign your components in your page items. So just go to your page items, click on presentation details and select your component and modify your placeholder and data source. So after this, you can assign multiple components inside your item page, home about contacts. Similarly, I have assigned inside the about us presentation details about. You can see in about page, I have assigned two components, about and rich text. Similarly, you can assign another page on different same components also. After after all this configuration, now we can implement in front end part. So these components display in my websites. So show after this, you could just go to your project folder, open CMD at terminals and create a components. Component name is matching with your layout renderings. So create just execute one command to create a component in front end in Next.js. Execute this command JSS scaffold space your component name. Suppose your component name is navigation, so just you have to execute this command JSS scaffold navigation. After execute this command, see, it looks like your screen is this file src component navigation. Your component .tsx has been scaffolded. So you can check this component is created or not. Just go to your project folder. Inside project folder, you have src folder. Inside the src folder, one folder name component. Inside the components, you can check your component is created or not. So I have created already created multiple components. Suppose this we have created navigation, hero. So suppose I have created, you need to create hero.tx. I created already hero.ts components. Now, after creating hero.ts component, you need to sometimes you need to register, but in the latest version component is already registered. Already registered after create the component. So you can check here component builder.ts file inside the temp folder. Go to just searching component builder file, the component builder file .ts. Just inside the temp folder, component builder.ts. In this file, all the component registered here. You can see all component registered here. So in the latest version, you don't we have don't need to register manually the components. Yeah. After created the components, you need to configure the AI implements the all fields as per your requirements. So my component hero inside the props all fields are you are getting. So in Next.js, I have defined the multiple fields, headings, hero image, scenes, description, button next, button text. In Sitecore JSS, but for button text, data field is link field, and for image data type is the image field. Inside the image field here defines the all property image property like width, height, src, alternate, text, src value, all types of field defined inside the image fields. Sure. So you can also debugging your value, your value are getting or not inside the props, the inside the props. So console dot you can console dot logs, yeah, you can pass here any message here. Also after that you can here props, and now you can check your go to your website and check props value are getting or not. So you can test also another one method in layout API service also. Here your component is registered not, rendering or not, your value data source is assigned or not in layout API service also. So for suppose for home page, you can check your component data is getting or not. So suppose for checking the hero components, so just find the hero. Headless main components name hero. Yeah, you can see here a component name is hero. Inside the components, you define the all fields. You can see fields, scenes, button text, hero icons, hero image, all the fields you are getting here. So you can check also from here. Now now after this implement your fields value inside the inside your components. Suppose since value to props dot fields dot since dot value. Similarly, image dot sc buttons value inside. So this is the process of create a components inside Core JSS, aside for XP and Next.js. And after create and how can you implement this then in front-end section. So so next one is how to create. Suppose you need to create a multi-list like this site service. So for this, how to create a templates and renderings and layout and assign two items. For so for this one, so again go to your template manager inside the feature headless site, your project folder. For suppose I've created, I'm showing 4 services. For services section, you can see I have fields heading, descriptions, and service items. For service items, I have options image, name, service description, and button. So show we need to create I have created a services templates name services as a service section. Inside this I have created heading fields, description, and items. Items is the multi-list. Multi is the data type multi-list. And inside the data source, I have passed the data path source ID. Path source ID. So this structure follow the service items. I've created another one item, service items. A service items is linked with services. So inside the service items, I have naming service details sections. Inside inside this field, service name, service description, service image, service button. After creating these templates, go to the renderings. Go to inside the renderings, created service renderings, and configure data source location and data source templates. After this, go to the my items. This rendering component inside which one items I am assigned I send on the home item levels. Similarly, presentation details, layout, edit, control, or add. After choosing your rendering components, you can see I have already added services. And configure your data source. After this, going to the front end part, similarly, you have to create a component using the commands. There's a scaffold, your component name, services. After executing this command, you can see your component which created. You can find services, services.ss. This is the services components. So in these service components, you can define your structure fields here. Fields, heading, description, items, key. Inside the items, key, items is the array. Because inside the items, I have multiple objects. Item, inside the items, fields key. Inside the fields key, I have different fields name, service description, service image, service button. So this is the array type. So inside your components, I implement these ones. Go to the folds items. Inside the items, I execute the map, and get all fields underscore in another one variable items. And just to pass your fields value where you need field heading dot value in heading sections, description sections, and here you can implement your all service items here. Items dot map, item index, items image value, service name, service description, button. So this is the all process of creating multi-list templates and normal templates, and create rendering layout rendering and assign to your items pages, and how to set a data source. This is that's it. So after creating, you can see your front ends look like this. You can click about us section. In about us items, I have only assigned one components, only about us. Similarly, for service page, I said only service sections. So here service will show, and click on Teams page. I have assigned only Teams components. Show here only team component data show. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, that's it from my end. Guys, have you any question regarding this to create how to create templates and renderings, layouts? Any questions? No.
Oh, no question.
Okay. So yeah, that's it for me. Okay. So we can uh, leave it. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, so thank you, everyone.